Namaste, it's Sweetie Shah, and let's have a look on today's headlines. 8th National Adventure Program organized at NAI Karshong, Darjeeling. Miss Sharanya Rao, a Swarnapank Bulbul and trained flock leader commissioned in the Indian Army. Honorable Governor of Nagaland Professor Jagdish Mukhi inducted as the Chief Patron of Nagaland State Bharat Scouts and Guides. Rajya Puruskar Rally of Nagaland State BSG conducted at the Durbar Hall, Raj Bhavan, Kohima on 8 November 2021. Clean India activity conducted by Odisha and South Eastern Railway State Bharat Scouts and Guides. Statue cleaning activity organized by Odisha State. COVID Services Season 2 mask and leaflets distribution by Ganjam District Bharat Scouts and Guides. Principal Meet 2021 organized by the Odisha State Bharat Scouts and Guides. Fit India activity conducted by various states of Bharat Scouts and Guides. The 71st General Meeting of the National Council of the Bharat Scouts and Guides held today on 28 November 2021 at 11 am under the chairmanship of Dr. Anil Kumar Jain. Now coming forward to news in brief. National news. The 71st General Meeting of the National Council of the Bharat Scouts and Guides held today on 28 November 2021 at 11 am under the chairmanship of Dr. Anil Kumar Jain, Member of Parliament Rajya Sabha and Honorable President Bharat Scouts and Guides, who presided over the meeting. This was the last meeting of the National Council for the existing term 2016 to 2021. Dr. K.K. Khandelwal, Honorable Chief National Commissioner, Bharat Scouts and Guides, welcomed all the members of the Council. Members from various state associations of the Bharat Scouts and Guides attended the meeting physically as well as virtually and took active part in the deliberation. Achievements of the activities of the organization undertaken during 2020 to 2021 were presented through PowerPoint presentation. Honorable President Dr. Anil Kumar Jain praised the activities being organized by the Bharat Scouts and Guides during 2016 to 2021. The returning officer Sri R.K. Kaushik, Director Bharat Scouts and Guides, announced the result of the winners for the election of the office bearers for the next term 2021 to 2026 in the meeting. The following office bearers were declared elected unopposed of the Bharat Scouts and Guides for the next term 2021 to 26. Details of the winners are as follows. Dr. Anil Kumar Jain, MP, Rajya Sabha, elected as President. Dr. K.K. Khandelwal, IAS officer retired and Chairman Harera Gurgaon, elected as Chief National Commissioner. Shri Satyanarayan Sharma, MLA and former Education Minister, Chhattisgarh, elected as Vice President. Dr. Vimla Meghwal, elected as Vice President. Dr. Kali Prasad Mishra, elected as Vice President. Shri Chandrajit Saikia, Vice President. Srimati Geeta Natraj, elected as Vice President. Various agenda items were discussed and brainstormed for the development of this largest youth organization in the country. Important decisions were taken and approved for further implementation at India level. Newly elected office bearers were also felicitated in the meeting. Dr. Anil Kumar Jain, Member of Parliament, Rajya Sabha and Honorable President Bharat Scouts and Guides, presented awards of various national level competitions held in the organization during the year 2020. An exhibition depicting various activities and projects undertaken by the Bharat Scouts and Guides were displayed, which were visited by the office bearers present in the meeting and lauded the praiseworthy display in the exhibition. National Adventure Program was organized at National Adventure Institute, Karshong, Darjeeling from 22nd to 26th November 2021, in which 28 participants attended from Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu and West Bengal state. Subedar Major Sri Rakesh Singh, Jadhav HMI, Darjeeling visited the program. The program was organized under the leadership of Srimati Surekha Srivastava, Deputy Director, NAI Karshong, with the help of Mr. Vivek Kumar Das, junior instructor and the invited staff members from Eastern Railway and North Frontier Railway. Ms. Sharanya Rao, Kodagu district of Karnataka state, who is a Swarnapank Bulbul and trained flock leader, commissioned in the Indian Army as Lieutenant Technical Branch on 20th November 2021 as Officers Training Academy, Chennai. The Bharat Scouts and Guides National Adventures wishes her grand success on her future endeavor. Nagaland State Bharat Scouts and Guides inducted Honorable Governor of Nagaland Professor Jagdish Mukhi as the Chief Patron of the State Association on 18th November 2021 at Raj Bhavan, Kohima. The patron of Nagaland State Bharat Scouts and Guides, Sri Nephew Ryu, and the President of Nagaland State Bharat Scouts and Guides, Er Zail Nikha, was present in the induction ceremony. Rajya Puruskar Rally of Nagaland State BSG conducted at the Durbar Hall, Raj Bhavan, Kohima on 18 November 2021. 23 scouts, 23 guides and 2 rovers were awarded at Rajya Puruskar by the Chief Patron of Nagaland State Bharat Scouts and Guides, Professor Jagdish Mukhi, Honorable Governor of Nagaland. The Kamrup Metro District of Assam State conducted a trekking program on 21st November 2021 at Badbari Ganeshpara. More than 50 scouts and guides and 20 adult leaders from Holy Child School, St. Mary's Higher Secondary School, Guru Nanak Higher Secondary School, YWCA Sir Senior Secondary School, Modern English High School and Guwahati Public School participated in the program. Theory and practical exam on traditional hand embroidery was held at JN College campus on 17 November. The initiative taken by Amrit Prabha Ranger Team Jawaharlal Nehru College, Boko, Kamrup, the Bharat Scouts and Guides Assam and facilitated by Jan Sikshaka Sansthan, Kamrup, Assam. The director of Jan Sikshak Sansthan Kamrup, Dr. Ganeshwar Saharia, Principal Dr. Tapan Datta and other faculty members of the college admired the skill of trainees. Rangers of Amrit Prabha Ranger Team Jawaharlal Nehru College, Boko, Kamrup, the Bharat Scouts and Guides Assam supported the farmers harvesting in paddy field under Sustainable Development Goal Project Goal 2 Zero Hunger. A meeting of the district secretary along with district coordinators of OYMS conducted virtually by Assam State on 20th November 2021 to discuss on the progress of OIMS and other agenda items. The State Secretary of Assam along with state officials were present. Assistant Director NER was also present in the meeting with Office Secretary North Eastern Region. East Godavari District of Andhra Pradesh State Bharat Scouts and Guides celebrated World Toilet Day on 19th November 2021 with scouts, guides and officials. They actively participated in cleaning the toilets. Tiruchirappalli District Headquarters of Southern Railway State Bharat Scouts and Guides conducted Rajya Puruskar and Pre-Rashtrapati Testing Camp on 20th November 2021. 18 scouts, guides, rovers and rangers along with 12 leaders of Tiruchirappalli district participated in this testing camp. Hassan district of Karnataka State Bharat Scouts and Guides conducted Tutsis Open Testing Camp on 21st and 22nd November 2021. Over 500 scouts and guides participated in this testing camp. Jammu Kashmir Bharat Scouts and Guides conducted Himalayan Wood Badge course for Scout Masters, Lady Scout Masters at Youth Hostel Patni Top, Udhampur from 8 to 14 November 2021, in which 16 unit leaders took active part. 33 rovers, rangers and unit leaders of Ganjam district of Odisha State Bharat Scouts and Guides cleaned Sea Beach on 18 November 2021. They collected waste materials and also disposed of at designated places. Raji Open Group Bharat Scouts and Guides East Central Railway Danapur organized a cleanliness drive at Sishu Park, Nehru Colony, Shiv Mandir on 18 November 2021. Danapur District of East Central Railway Bharat Scouts and Guides celebrated the birth anniversary of Rani Lakshmi Bai on 19 November 2021 at Divisional Office Danapur. First of all, wreaths were laid by Patron, come Divisional Railway Manager, District Commissioner Scout, come Senior Divisional Personnel Officer and other officers on the picture of Rani Lakshmi Bai who lit the flame of freedom. After that, poetry was recited by his guide leaders Archana and Subra in the honor of Valor of Rani Lakshmi Bai. The Scouts and Guides were given a tour of Mandal Personal Museum made by the Scouts in which information about great humans were displayed. 45 Scouts, Guides, Rovers and Rangers and unit leaders participated. 29 Bulbuls and unit leaders of Jharsuguda District Bharat Scouts and Guides, Odisha State cleaned statue and cleaned awareness on 19 November 2021 about how to clean our environment at different places. Plastic Free Area Cleanliness Program was organized by the members of Adra District Association of South Eastern Railway by Scouts and Guides on 22nd November 2021 at Adra. Principal Meet 2021 was conducted at State Headquarters Unit 3 Bhubaneswar, Odisha on 24th November 2021. The meeting was inaugurated by Dr. K.P. Mishra, National Vice President and State Chief Commissioner, Odisha State BSG, in the presence of Professor Dr. Surekha Sundari Swain, State Commissioner Guide, Shri Sarat Chandra Pakare, and State Secretary, and Shri Bhavani Prasad Mishra, State Treasurer, with state officials. The main topic of discussion of the meeting was how to empower youth through rangering and rovering. The Bharat Scouts and Guides Chhattisgarh Kanked organized a 3 day training workshop training trainers at District Training Institute DIET Kanked from 16th to 18th November 2021. 49 participants from Kanked, Dantewada, Bijapur, Sukma, Narayanpur, Jagdalpur and Konda village participated. A night hike, trekking, and nature study program was organized on 20th and 21st November 2021 by District Youth Committee of Bharat Scouts and Guides. Korba participants conducted nature study during hiking and trekking on foot up to Rani Jharia Falls, located 5 km Ajgar Bahar in a dense forest. During the foot hike, then created awareness on COVID vaccination in the villages and above 18 to become included in the voter list. 1 day cycle hike and COVID vaccination awareness rally from Tundra Nagar to Girodpuri was organized by Kasdol Block Association of Chhattisgarh State Bharat Scouts and Guides on 23rd November 2021. The activities of 16 Days of Activism commenced on 25th November to commemorate International Day for the Elimination of Violence Against Women. News of World Scout Jamboree. Good news for all the members of Bharat Scouts and Guides. The national headquarters, New Delhi, has extended the deadline to apply for the World Scout Jamboree to be held in South Korea from 1 to 12 August 2023 till 30th November 2021. Interested members can apply by contacting state headquarters. Coming forward to COVID news, vaccination program is supported by the Scouts and Guides everywhere in the country. North Frontier Railway organized 50th vaccination camp at Badarpur on 23rd November 2021. The members of Ganjam district of Odisha State Bharat Scouts and Guides distributed masks and leaflets in the public places of the locality. Forthcoming events. Call for rangers and unit leaders for My Rights and Me as a Leader seminar as master trainers under Her World, Her Voice project. For more details, refer to NHQ Circular Number 154/2021 dated 18/11/2021. 16 Days of Activism, Orange the World, End Violence Against Women Now. For more details, refers to NHQ Circular Number 152/2021 dated 17/11/2021. A series of webinars on upskilling our nation's young workforce. For more details, refer to NHQ for Circular Number 151/2021 dated 17/11/2021. BSG Digital Smart Generation Virtual Training for All. For more details, refer to NHQ Circular Number 148/2021 dated 12/11/2021. Asia Pacific Leadership Award 2023 for Unit Leaders, District, State Commissioners, Service to Girl Guides and Girl Scouts, Guidewing. For more details, refers to NHQ Circular Number 145/2021 dated 28/10/2021. Deadline to apply for World Scout Jamboree 30th November 2021. For more details, refers to NHQ Circular Number 111/2021 dated 2/9/2021.